In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download audio from Speechify. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Speechify website. Once the site loads, sign in if needed so you can access your existing projects and audio files. This process is quick, and it helps to make sure you're working from the correct account before you download anything. After you're inside Speechify, look for your library. This is where your previously generated audio projects are stored. If you've already created the audio you want to download, the library is the place to find it. Take a moment to scan through your saved projects and locate the one you need. Next, click on the project to open it. Before downloading, it's a good idea to review it first and confirm that it's the correct project. This is especially helpful if you have multiple files with similar titles or several versions of the same recording. Playing it back briefly or checking the project details can save time and help you avoid downloading the wrong audio file. Once you've confirmed that you have the right project open, find and click the File button. This menu usually contains options related to saving, exporting, or downloading your content. After opening that menu, click Download and then choose Audio. At that point, Speechify will begin preparing your file, and depending on your browser settings, the audio may either download automatically or prompt you to choose where you want to save it. After the download finishes, you can open the file from your Downloads folder and use it however you need. If the download doesn't begin right away, give it a few seconds and check for any browser pop-up or download permission messages. And that's it. That's how to download audio from Speechify quickly and easily.